What's up everyone, my name is Zino and in today's video we're gonna unbox all these products. Temu sent me a mystery box filled with some of their products. I haven't opened any of them. They claim to offer high quality items across diverse categories at very affordable prices. You want to make sure to stick around until the end because I've got a special discount code that could get you up to $100 off, free shipping and even 90 days of free returns. Let's dive in and see what's inside these boxes. Alright, so we've got a bunch of boxes right here and I guess we're gonna start with this one right here because that one is obvious. It's going to be the T-Pad. This product is priced at €120, but if you're from the States, you have to search up the product name in the Temu app. It's a tablet, of course, and it's pretty cool because it comes with a case. You remember those old school iPad cases? It's like one of those. Slick screen, that's pretty cool. It has a film on it. Very curious how good it is. We're going to find out in a bit. Let's see what else is in the box. We got here... Whoa! Damn! Look at that! Look at that! Huh? You order an iPad, you don't even get a power brick. Look at all this! What is this? You get a mouse? Gotta be kidding me! You're getting a mouse. It's like an actual mouse with a USB. Pretty cool. And this is a magnetic stand, I guess. Pretty cool. It's like this. We'll find out in a bit. Let's continue. You'll get these AirPods, AirPods lookalikes, pretty awesome. And USB, mini USB cable, USB-C adapter, I believe. Yeah, that's a USB adapter. It's not coming out so easily. Yeah, there you go. USB-C to USB-A adapter and USB-C to USB-A. You got all this, man. The power brick. So this is 10 watts. 10 watts power brick. I don't even know why you have all this, but it's amazing. You even get the pen, so that's nice. I felt something in this box also. What is this? Is this full with manuals, I guess? You gotta be kidding me. There's an actual keyboard on it. Feels really light. Buttons feel steady though, so that's a good sign. But it's so light. It turns on instantly. So that's cool. It's charged. So that's why you have all these cables. Now I understand. Let's go ahead and turn this on. If there's power in it. There is. There's power in it. Let's peel this off. Let's take the whole tablet out and see how it looks like from the inside. So don't forget, we have a special discount code if you're interested in any of these products. I'm very curious at the build quality, but damn. That actually feels really, really solid. Let me tell you. And look how thin it is. Do we got a tablet around here to check out the difference? I think I do. I've got an iPad Pro, but it's broken. Yeah, we got an iPad Pro right here. So just look how thin. That's like same size almost. Let's look from the back. So this is the iPad and this is the Temu tablet. The thinness, it's amazing. Let's peel this off. I gotta say, very responsive instantly. 73% batteries inside. So of course you got to connect your Google and everything, but everything seems to work. There's also YouTube pre-installed. Let's connect to our Wi-Fi. Damn, just look. Okay, I'm very the first product, honestly, I'm very surprised how good this looks. Let's connect it to our Wi-Fi. Connected. Let's check out the camera in the meanwhile. And so front camera, pretty good. You can actually do some FaceTime, WhatsApp video calling with this. So this tablet has 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. Even expand this to 1 terabyte because it has that micro SD slot. How cool is that? When is the last time you had a phone or a tablet with a micro SD card in the latest versions? Not often. And you even have an aux input. That's cool. So let's go on Google Chrome and search YouTube. Test out the keyboard a bit. I gotta say, everything is very responsive. I'm very surprised. Let's search my channel. Yeah, typing works great. It really feels premium. I'm very surprised. I'm gonna tell you. Look, I get a Temu ad. Are they listening? Just tell me, are they listening? There's a Temu ad going on right here. Sound quality. Very good. Very good.
My name is Zino and welcome back to my channel where we explore the latest tech to elevate your entertainment experience. Today, we're diving into the
Let's see brightness.
Player One 8.
Oh, the brightness is not even at highest.
To test out device, and I'm excited to finally share my thoughts
Quality wise, what can we do with the quality? Okay, maximum 720 at 60p. Maybe because it's Chrome, maybe the tablet needs update, but I know this video is in 4K. That being said, it works great. We can even test it with the cover on. So I guess if you have to do this, sign in your Google Play, update the tablet. That's the first steps you need to do. Update all apps. Oh, and do you see that? The cover makes it turn the screen off. How cool is that? Okay, so you got the mouse and you've got all these products. I'm pretty sure this all works. I'm not gonna continue on that. Let's go to the next product because I'm very curious. What is this? It even comes with a webcam cover. So a manual, all that. So that's all good. And I'm gonna play with this around later on myself. Let's go to the next product. And that is a Bluetooth keyboard. So a mini Bluetooth keyboard. This is priced at 31 euros. Pretty expensive though compared to the tablet. And this is the brand name, a mini Bluetooth keyboard. What's in here? You even got a charging cable. Yes. So see, it turns on. Again, feels great. Pretty solid to me. For €4.34, it's a bargain. Does it work? Let's see if we can find out. On my Windows PC, instantly it pops up. Input Bluetooth keyboard. So let's go on YouTube, do some typing. Look at the videos that I usually watch with my kids. Papa Pig. Caps lock on. Full. Okay, you definitely got to get used to this. Yeah, honestly, it's very difficult for me to type on this because I'm used to a much larger keyboard. So I think it needs some charging. The connection is sometimes not that stable, but it feels overall pretty good build to me. I don't know. I assume this one needs charging. We can actually test that out quickly if I have a USB. Yeah, I'll test that out. I'll charge this in the meanwhile. I've got a charger right here. So that's charging. Let's go to the next product. For the next product, we've got a desktop fast charger. So this is a power station, I guess, and it has a total of 320 watts, and each port has a maximum of output. So it's all together, it's 300 watts. Let's go ahead and open this up, and I guess, okay, this looks pretty cool. Pretty heavy, to be honest. The box felt so light. I would say pretty good design. Honestly, I would have even expected it to be heavier, but since the box is so small, I'm surprised it feels more heavy. But usually with 320 watts, I would assume a bit more weight on it. Let's see what else is in there. Yeah, we've got the EU. As long as it doesn't explode, I'm all good. So on top, it will actually says this has maximum 100 watts, 65 watts, 65 watts, 20 watts, 18, all the USB-A ports are 18 watts. So it's charging, that's great. Port is working. Let's go to the next one. Also working, also working. That one's also working. Then we have the USB-A ports. So 18 watts right here. Let's see, working also working. Last one, and that one's also working. If you have like 4 iPads, 4 tablets at home, and some phones, and you have to wait around for charging them, this would be a great solution. You just put this on the counter right here somewhere, and multiple cables. You gotta charge something, just put it all together. But I do, however, highly recommend never leaving this on, charging tablets or phones unattended. That doesn't just mean with this, but also with original chargers. When you go to sleep, you know, not so handy. You never know, there are batteries in it. So then I guess we're going to the last product, but before we do that, we've been charging the keyboard for some time now. It should be enough for us to continue the test. Let's see. Okay. Oh, okay, let's test. Hello, how are you doing? So it's typing. I know it's working good after the second test. I gotta say, if this is a good fit for me, I don't know. It feels a bit too cheap. If there would be somewhat a bigger, more expensive product, I would go for that, definitely. But overall, it works good. That being said, let's go to the last product we have here. So this product right here cost 60 euro. And I know this because of the pricing sheet that I was sent. It's a projector, LED projector. That's pretty cool. Let's see what's inside. We've got a projector. That looks cool. Very curious what kind of projector you can get for 60 euros. Again, surprisingly, feels good. Feels really good. Stands steady. What else do we have here? Why are there no keyboards and mouses in this one? Got a remote control. Feels like an Xiaomi remote control. It is no batteries. I'm very surprised, Temu. I got with the tablet all these things and now I didn't even get 2 batteries. I'm not complaining though. I'm not complaining. This feels kind of great. It makes me really curious how good the screen might be. It says right here 180p. Yeah, 180p. There's a manual in here, HDMI port. So it has an HDMI port, an headphone port, USB-A port, I believe. What is that? I don't know what that is. There's a power up button and there's the power cable input and a vent. So let's hook this bad boy up and see how it looks. Of course, it's very light here, so I'm curious how well you guys are gonna see it. Let's turn this on. Oh, there's still the film on it. How do we remove the film without scratching anything? Let me see. Yeah, that film is pretty... Let's turn it on. There you go. Let me get some batteries. Let's see if we can zoom a bit in on the camera. Yeah, so this is what we've got. And the remote control is working. Network unavailable. Let's connect it through the network. So this is the best I can do for you. I can tell you the image quality is much better from my perspective. It's the camera that you're looking on right now is pretty much zoomed in. So it's pretty washed out. And we're getting the Wi-Fi list. Okay. Oh, we have got an update going on. So let's go ahead and update it. So this projector has 180p, auto keystone, wireless. This is what I see in the description on the site. So it has 200 lumens, so not very bright, but it also says here 4K, but I don't believe it's 4K. I think it's 1080p because that's what it says in the description. Unfortunately, you get these kind of descriptions that are a bit misleading in some products. You definitely have to read through the description good. It's definitely either 1080p or 720p. So that's HD ready or full HD. We can find out in YouTube, I guess. That being said, this is definitely not the ultimate movie setup if you're looking for that. This is more for work environment, some YouTube on it. You can put it on the ceiling, I guess. I guess it's pretty cool to play around with. You're not going to replace your 85-inch screen with this. Considering the pricing, I guess it's a pretty good product until now, but I really want to check out YouTube. Just waiting for this update to go to finish. So there you go. We're starting up YouTube finally. So the remote buttons feel a bit cheap, to be honest, but it is responsive 4K video. Let's see the highest quality on this. Let's go for this one. It has audio. Let's check the audio also. Sound quality surprisingly okay. Not the best, of course, but it'll do. Let's turn on stats for nerds. Oh wow, it actually does go to 4K. Yeah, it's freezing up. Let's switch to another video quickly. So let's keep that to maximum 1080p. Oh, it's on 4K. And it's not losing any frames, but let's just put it back to 1080p. That's more like it. Okay, it has Netflix, it has an app store. I believe it has its own app store, all these apps, an additional app store, more app stores. Yeah, that sums it up. Okay, we've tested a lot of products, 4 products right here. We've named the prices again to recap. So we've got the tablet, very good tablet, very surprised with how it works. I definitely recommend that tablet if you're looking for a cheap, high quality tablet, you're in a budget. I really truly am surprised how good it is and with all the products that it comes with. Let's move on to the wireless keyboard. It's compatible with Windows, iOS, Android, tablets, laptops, anything. It wasn't perfect in my opinion. I personally wouldn't go with that one. Then we have the 320 watts max port, was 100 watts. Pretty good, worked good. So if I would recommend that one, yeah, definitely. If you're looking for one, why not? It's ideal. Why purchase one for 200 euros? Of course, this is me just testing it once, you know? Yeah, I got to also look at it in a long-term way. But that's why they have free shipping, and free returns for 90 days. So you can, I guess, test it out for 90 days. I don't know exactly the rules, but let's say if it stops working within the 90 days, I assume you can get a refund. Pretty sure. And lastly, we have the mini projector. 1080p works pretty good. Remote feels really cheap. Of course, we're talking here a product of 70 euro, something like that. Let me see. Just double check again. 60 euro. It's a cheap projector. Of course, this again, I wouldn't use it to watch Netflix and chill personally. But a very good use case would be if you're in a small room, you don't have a TV, and you have this setup lying around. You can take it practically everywhere. I think that's really the unique selling point of this device right here. You can take it anywhere. If it falls, it feels pretty solid, you know, not expensive. You'll be okay taking it around with you outside. And yeah, overall good device. But the best product in this case of the products that I've tested out today is the tablet, 100% for 45 euro. It's amazing. Very surprised. Now, if you're interested in any of their products, make sure to download their app. They have a very good overview, and use the discount code that I will give you in the description and on screen so you can get up to $100 off. That being said, this video has come to an end. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget, I'll see you in the next one.